Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix missing stickers on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Instagram here, and I'll walk you through where to find the stickers, how to search for various stickers that might be missing, and then if some of them are not showing up, how to get them back. So I can swipe to the right here to bring up the camera, and I'm just going to tap to take a quick photo. Now, once I did that, at the very top right here, you can see the little smiley face. That's the stickers. I can tap on that and it gives me all these different stickers to choose from. Location, mention, add yours, question, music, poll, link, all these different ones. Now, if there's one that you want that isn't showing up on here, you can always tap the search button at the very top here, and we can search for stuff like the add yours. So I can always search for a sticker and then add it on here if I wanted to. But if that really isn't working, even if you search for it, you can't find those missing stickers. What you can do is you can hop out of here and you can open up the settings app and then scroll down until you get to general, tap on general, and then midway down iPhone storage. We'll tap on that, and then you can scroll down until you find Instagram. There it is. Now what we're going to do is we're going to offload this app and reinstall the app. This force updates to the latest version of Instagram and gets rid of any kind of bugs or anything like that that might be causing those stickers to be missing or just not showing up correctly. So that'll go through the steps to reinstall the core app files for Instagram. It won't remove any of your specific data, your drafts, your login, any of that stuff, but it will refresh all of those app files. And then once that's done loading, we can go in and check the stickers again to see where the stickers are and if you're seeing all of the different stickers. Now keep in mind that Instagram does retire certain stickers. So they'll introduce new stickers with new updates, but then sometimes they'll kind of discontinue stickers basically. They'll remove stickers so that they can make room for new stickers or ones that aren't that popular. So it could be that Instagram has decided to remove that sticker, or in a specific region that you're in, that sticker is not available. So all these stickers are not available in all of the countries, and it could be that your specific country doesn't allow that specific sticker. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.